Let's look at some power tips for PowerPoint users. I'll show you how to replace fonts right across the slide deck easily, add icons to your slide to add a bit of interest, and how to create handouts to give to your audience. Here I'm in the working view of my slides, and you can see maybe this slide is a good example. I've got two fonts here. Under the home ribbon you can see this is Aptos Black, and in the body I've got Verdana. I want to change the heading. I might have brought these slides together from different decks and they've got different fonts used across. I'll go to the search bar and type in replace font. That's easy. Now it's identified Aptos Black and I'd like to change it to Verdana because that aligns with our corporate logos and branding. Click on replace and it's done it right throughout the deck for me. On each of those headings where that font was used, it's replaced it. Now this slide here could do with an image to make it a bit more interesting. I'll use an icon. So I'll go to the insert ribbon and click on icons. They're arranged in themes, so you can click across the headings to see what is available, or you can do a search. We're talking about OneDrive here and personal files. I'll look for files as the keyword and I'll use this one. You'll see the designer pops up straight away with some suggestions, and if it doesn't pop up straight away, go to design and that's where you'll find the designer, and it's given some nice layout ideas. I'm going to go for this one. That looks great. And our third trick is about creating a handout. Go to file and down to export, and here we can create handouts. There's different options here. We can create the speaker notes next to the slide. We can create blank lines next to the slides. And then we can have the slide with the notes underneath, or the slide with blank lines underneath, or just the outline of the notes only. This one here will be handy because it can give me a handout to give the audience and they can make their own notes as I'm running through this presentation. So it's working away in the background, creating a Word document with each of the slides as an image. Great, now I can see how the whole document looks. It's actually created from a table structure. So if I wanted to delete one of the slides, I simply just have to delete that row in the table. Go to the layout ribbon and go to delete row. Brilliant. Now I'm happy and I can print this as a handout for my audience.